Have you been searching for a brand new customizable home in an area where there's no HOA on over an acre of lands? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Palm Beach. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in South Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So I receive a lot of requests for larger homes and especially larger lots in South Florida. And while most of the new construction homes on the Treasure Coast and Palm Beach are built in planned communities, that means HOAs and less than a quarter acre of lands. Even though there's nothing wrong with that, I found that people already coming from Acreage or coming from up north who are used to and prefer a more rural setting still want to live in South Florida and enjoy the lifestyle and be close to everything that they could want here. And on the other side of the spectrum, there are a lot of people from Miami and Broward who have seen the area change so much since they first moved here and are cashing out on their homes down there, but don't want to truly leave South Florida. So that's where buying a home in Loxahatchee, the Acreage, Jupiter Farms makes a lot of sense. Over an acre of land, still less than 30 minutes to the city, and so many options. Like this home, for example, comes in at over 3,000 square feet under air just in the main house alone. The entryway lined with trees and full landscaping, fruit trees all over the property, a private pool in the courtyard with a guest house. This model has it all. You're getting an open concept, but still in a more traditional way, with 12-foot ceilings, separate living and family rooms off from the central kitchen, a formal dining room space, and the casual breakfast nook by the bump out that you'll use day to day. The master and guest bedrooms are on opposite sides of the homes to maximize privacy, and they're a good size, which is what you want because everything is customizable. They've turned one of the bedrooms into a media room. You can wall off where the pool table is to make it into a game room, blow out the den to make a dream wardrobe closet, add an extra attached or detached garage, make the kitchen bigger, blow out the pool, and make it look like a resort back there. You name it and they could do it. Now, custom building like this is definitely a more involved process than building in a community and can be just as, if not more expensive, takes even longer, and has more variables in finding a lot and a builder that can support your vision. Something like this is easily over $1 million, but compared to a similar size home in West Palm, the Gardens, Wellington, or even Jupiter or Boca, you're getting a lot for your money. Most of the clients I work with, while we start at new construction, we don't always end there. There's so many beautiful homes that are for sale in these areas that still give you the space that you're looking for, have their own charm and design that's hard to replicate, even when going fully custom. And if you're trying to stay under $1 million or manage your budget, there's some great options to consider. So if you are interested in buying, building, or need to sell your home anywhere in South Florida, you can reach out to me directly. I'll put my contact information up here, and I can help and work with you to make this happen. So if you're interested in this home or something else like this here in the acreage or the farms, you can reach out to me directly and I'd be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you in buying or selling a home here in South Florida.